With increase in industries, the demand for power supply also increases, which in turn increases power generation and power transmission. Unavoidably, it also increases accidents related to transmission. Transformer is one among the most expensive equipment located in power plants and substations. They generally contain a large quantity of combustible substance which can spray fire to nearby installations and cause a power failure and huge economic losses. Hence, a special attention should be given to their protection. Introducing Tri-Porlex nitrogen injection and oil extraction system, one of the advanced fire protection and explosion prevention system after water spray and CO2 spray system. If the transformer is not working properly, an enormous amount of flammable gases will be created inside the oil tank. At this moment, the internal pressure of the tank increases due to thermal inertia. Once a fault signal is detected by the pressure sensor, the signal is sent to the control room. Based on the pre-fed settings, as a first step, oil drain valve is opened and the oil is drained into the pit within seconds after detection in order to release the pressure inside the transformer and to avoid explosion. The nitrogen gas is injected into the transformer within 1 to 20 seconds and it can be injected continuously for 30 minutes to stir and cool down the transformer oil. Nitrogen gas isolates the air from the tank and also reduces the temperature at the same time. As an addition, 3 contacts can be fed into the control system. Based on the call alert, these contacts will be intimated about the emergency situation. No environmental pollution, extinguishes fire without water, easy to install and maintain, fast response before onset of fire.